Morning everybody. So today we are in Wales on a little day out. We've got 340 odd miles to do. Okay, we've got some chickens on the road here. Four of us out today. We've got Mike on his BMW R1250GS Adventure HP Rally version. I've got me on my BMW R1250GS Adventure Triple Black version. We've got John on his brand new R1250GS Adventure Trophy, which he only picked up the other week. One of the last ones in the country because they've stopped making them now. And we've got Rob on his Moto Guzzi V85. And I will show you each of their bikes in a minute. We'll do a little drive-by past them when I find them. We'll just stop to change your battery. Just want to get your bike on camera before it's covered in mud and stone chips. So here's John's new GS, the Trophy 1250. In his Marrakesh as well, he's living a dream. Just get a little outside. Yeah. Here's Rob on his Moto Guzzi 85. Hello Rob. Oh, he's just giving me evils there. Where's that Mike? Get your 1250 always flashing now on his... Yours is a rally, isn't it? Is yours a rally? Oh no, it's an HP. What's the difference between a HP rally? Yeah. Where the fuck's he going? Come past, come up the side. So this is the HP Rally version. That's Mike. And mine's a triple black. Oh, there's somebody on an Italian bike behind us following us, looking very menacing. Oh, here he comes. He's a devil, isn't he? Yeah, this is the road that says, mine now says, cannot calculate the route. Doesn't say turn round, it just says, cannot calculate the route. What does yours say, Mike? Well, I'm glad it's concrete and not gravel. It's actually quite a nice view, isn't it? It's a weird road, isn't it? Yeah, I was thinking that. It's just purpose-built, made of concrete, isn't it? I reckon there was one of them radar stations up here during the war. They're not very nice beach huts, are they? Look at this shiny new bike. It needs a clean. don't even know what. I got 77. If it's top trumps, I'm not winning. How many you got, Mike? Yeah, 3. See you later. That's nice of them. Actually, I think they did that with mine as well, you know. Yeah. It's funny because when I got off the ferry in Dublin, it was baking hot, and we pulled up. And some girl come up and says, "Can I take a pic? Can I scan your QR code?" I went, "What QR code?" She went, "The one on the back of your motorbike." I went, "Oh yeah, I forgot to put that on." That's why I take Dawn with me. She's my PA now. It's like, I have a little sign around my neck every now and again, "Do not feed the bear." When do we rejoin the route? Because mine's still saying cannot calculate the route. Okay, I'm just going to click OK and see what it does. Oh, I haven't got a route now. I think I've got John's old sat-nav here. Yeah, no, I think the issue is just that I just turn it off because I can't be asked to wait for it. There we go. Route 158 miles. I've got 158 on mine. Oh well. Yeah, mine's probably going backwards. It's because I've restarted. It's when routes cross over, it doesn't know what to do, does it? It doesn't know whether to go back or forward. So at some point it'll work it out, I guess. Oh, car. And another car. Yeah, the good old 30 zone. Yeah, nice looking mountains. I'm guessing that is the Snowdonia range of mountains, is it? I don't really know. How many miles? I've got a shell at Betty Sequoia. 34 miles, mate. There's nothing in this town. Bessie Coyd petrol station is 34 miles. I've got 47. That'll be my all-time low, that will. I got to 16 miles in Norway. This will get me to 13 miles. Yep, when you're down to 44 miles and the next petrol station is when, John? 30 miles away? And let's just say, hope these figures on these computers are right, otherwise we'll be pushing them. Yeah, I like it around here. I've spent many a year around here.
Well, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.